how you get the rocks out of the ground and the dirt. And this has taken me over a month just to excavate. And then I use these rocks for my garden beds. And then this trench mitigates flooding. So combining multiple tasks, water drainage, rock building material. That's how we do it. All right, and then we lift this thing up. Just don't make it too heavy. There we go. Yeah. We're gonna choose a stable, nice size rock example. And what we're doing is we're doing 2 wide. And the reason we do 2 wide is for stability. They can hold on to each other. One width doesn't really doesn't work very well or last very long. So we need to have at least two rocks for the span, and they fit in and just hold on to each other. And so this will be our line. And you can find rock walls all over the island. Every single island had rock walls, and they are part of the history here. Perfect. Pohaku. Name of the rock walls. And this is a dry stack building methodology.
How come you're building it along here?
To get the shape, and this is going to expand, and then all of this is going to be filled
Got it.
with rocks and garden beds. We're making a bigger garden bed.
So Jeremiah, I understand you're originally from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about that and your background.
Born and raised, as they say, in Jamaica. I left after high school and continued my education in Florida, pre-vet, University of Florida, animal science. And after so many years, I decided that I didn't want to school anymore. I wanted to get out and do practical things. And I worked in the environmental field for several years in Florida. And I grew up growing food in Jamaica, so when I came here, I wanted to continue the environmental field and noticed that there was a need.
And when did you come here?
I came to Hawaii in 2004.
Okay.
Oahu. And so I spent about 9 years on Oahu, and rest here. I came here in 2013.
Okay.
So this island is the closest to Jamaica. We have all the climates here, so great place to grow food and to teach.
Do you want to pull this out, or?
Yeah.
Here he has some Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee.
Yeah. Very famous brand, as famous as the Hawaiian Kona coffee. The Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee is famous, so I brought some of that here and wanted to plant a Jamaican fruit forest. So many of the trees I have planted here are trees that I grew up with in Jamaica.
Nice.
Yeah, you can grow anything here.